So this is how the British Department of Health says to wash your hands. Now, before I get into this, I must say, to avoid getting your hands contaminated, it would be best to use your wrist. So first off, you better wet your hands and then get some soap. First off, you want to get them nice and soapy, and then you want to get between your fingers. And then you want to rub your palms together. And then rub your fingers against your palm. And finally, get your thumbs. And again, use the wrist. Rinse your hands off. And dry them. And that's how to properly wash your hands to keep yourself safe from COVID-19.